Hi friends, welcome to Randhir Digital. Today we are going to make testimonial like this. We have a lot of option for testimonials. We have a lot of designs. So today we will create it. But if you are a new, join our growing community. Don't forget to hit and subscribe button and turns on notification. We value your feedback, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Your support means the world to us. Now get back to our topic. So first we will go to our new phrase dashboard. So here we will do something like this. This is the dashboard. So firstly we will create a page. So we will click here, all pages. Now click on add new and we can give it any name like testimonials. Okay, publish it. Now we have done here, close it, and now go to plugin section, installed plugin, add new. Firstly we will install Elementor installing now. Actually these plugins are required for that testimonials, so we will activate we will activate it later. So now we will next our plugin is Element Pack Lite. Now this is this one by BD Themes. Install now. Next plugin, live copy, this one by BD Themes. Install now. Okay, we have completed here. All the plugins are installed. So now go to plugins and click on this plugin, so we can activate all three at one time. Activate it, apply. Okay, these all three are activated. Now here is the important part. We can go to this element pack. You are seeing this, right? Element pack. Now I am opening in new tab. Just skip it here. Go to core widgets. Scroll down. Here you are seeing this widget, review card carousel is on. Okay, if it's off then you should turn on like this. Okay, one more thing, now go to end save setting, Next, go to other setting. Here this live copy or paste, this one also you have to turn it on, right? Now go to save setting. Yeah, we have completed here. Now go to this page, testimonial, edit, now edit with Elementor. I am just removing these things from setting and default Elementor canvas and updating this. Okay, now this is the blank canvas. Okay, so we can do one thing. Taking this section, any section, okay, this one, okay, and put it here. Go to this Rubik's cube icon and search it here, card, review card carousel, this one, visit. You can just drag it from here and drop out there. Okay, now this is the basic testimonials. Okay, no I know this is not looking good. Okay, so we are trying to make this kind of testimonial carousel. Okay, so we can choose anyone any of this one, demo 3 and demo 4, anyone. Okay, so I am just doing live copy and paste. This one I am choosing, this one, review card carousel demo 4, and you will get option here, live copy. Okay, okay, one more thing, by the way, this is the site where you can copy and paste. So I will put the description in the link. So here now I am doing live copy, copied, okay. Now we are pasting it here. Right click, paste from other side. Now here is the what, control plus B. Okay, then I am doing this control plus B. So now you can see this whole testimonial is shifted here according to your need. You can edit this testimonial. Okay, how beautiful is looking, right? So any of this testimonial you can copy it from here like this, copy and paste it where you want to. Okay, paste from other side, control B. See, next testimonial. So now you have seen testimonial, how this is very easy to make this testimonial like this. If you like this video, kindly like and subscribe my channel, and very thank you.